Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl Brianna Renee again and again and again every time. But I'm back with another RS tutorial. What are we doing today? It's a new one. We're making beard balm. Shout out to the fellas, all my kings out there. Shout out to you guys holding it down. But no, we're straight out of the RS Soap Bible. We're making beard balm today. First off, what tools will we need? You know, I don't have a double boiler still, so, you know, I have my good old melted mix it measuring cup. I have my pot with my water warming up and everything so it can go ahead and melt stuff inside my measuring cups. Have my measuring spoons. You're gonna need at least 1 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon. I did that backwards. 1 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon. And yeah, you're gonna need like a spoon or anything, a mix or whatever. Or I'm sorry, not a mix, a whisk to mix. I don't know what's gotten into me today. But yeah, no, that's what you need as far as material. Let's get into what all we need for this. This includes shea butter. I'm using African shea butter, just a regular. You can find this like dollar store, beauty supply store, stuff like that. This was $3.99. I really could have got it for cheaper at a different beauty supply store, or even at the dollar store. It would have been like $2, but it was there and I was there, so we just, yeah. But no, you need your shea butter. That's your main component for sure. On top of your beeswax pellets. Oh, my light is too bright. It's okay. But I have White Naturals brand white beeswax pellets. It's organic, 100% natural, triple filtered, and superior quality. But those are your main components. That's what's gonna like keep your balm like firm and whatnot, or at least firm enough to be a balm. But at the same time, it'll help aid in like getting it to melt in your hand, on your face, and everything. But aside from your main components, you are going to need your oils. What I have a jojoba, and my jojoba actually froze inside my storage unit, so that's why it looks like that. Don't ask me. You can say you talk your mess inside the comments. It's okay. But yeah, no. I have jojoba oil. I have almond oil. And I also have castor oil. I have this kind of castor oil, and then I also have black castor oil, aloe vera. This is the Tropic Living brand aloe vera Jamaican black castor oil right here. This green bottle. I'm sorry, I'm so far away, you guys. I'm sorry. But no, and then all of my other oils are from our Now Solutions brand. You can find it at your health store. I think you can find it at Walmart too as well. Things like that. But me personally, I'm throwing in cocoa butter, light cocoa butter. I just like I said, it's one of those things. It'll help like keep your mixture firm and consistent and whatnot. Also using rose water, because rose water is life. Rose water is life for everything, for your skin, for your hair, for everything. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and include rose water. I have coconut oil. This is optional for me. I'm still thinking on if I'm gonna use it or not. You guys will see if I end up using it. 9 times out of 10, I feel like I'm gonna use it, cause it's coconut oil. You feel me? Like, coconut oil is really good. So, boom. But yeah, no. That's your ingredients. Don't forget to have your nice little jar. You can use like a small tin can. I wanted to use a small tin, but I didn't have any on hand, and I didn't feel like waiting, like ordering some and waiting for it to get to me and everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my jars that I usually use for like my body butters and whatnot. But yeah, no. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so to start things off, I have my measuring cup that I'm using to melt all my things in. And using the 1 tablespoon, I'm actually scooping white beeswax pellets in there. I'm actually using 2 tablespoons. of the white beeswax pellets. Like I said, these beeswax pellets are what help form the consistency and everything of the beard balm. Next, using the same 1 tablespoon measurement again, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of shea butter. It doesn't matter if you use refined or unrefined shea butter, but either way it goes, you need 2 tablespoons of it. Stir and melt, stir and melt. You just want to melt all your hard ingredients now, your shea butter and your beeswax pellets. Now that is good and all melted, now I'm using my 1 teaspoon to measure out 2 teaspoons of all of my oils, starting with jojoba oil. It doesn't matter the order that you put your oils in, honestly, truly. I'm just very particular. I start off with jojoba oil, then I go to my sweet almond oil. And then lastly, I add in my castor oil. But you guys know that I have 2 different types of castor oil, so I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of each type. One of the now solutions, and then one of the Jamaican black castor oil. Now I'm adding in my rose water, yay! I'm only adding in 1 teaspoon of the rose water. I don't want to make it too liquefied. And I'm adding in my men's fragrance. Alrighty, now let's stir it up. Like Robin says, stirry, stirry. Now let's grab our jar, our container that we're putting it in, and let's go ahead and pour it out. And then once we have it all poured out, you can set it to the side. I prefer to set mine in the fridge, and ta-da! Here's your finished product. Nice beard balm right there in the jar.